Digital license plates from Reviver can help your fleet simplify registration renewals, vehicle maintenance messaging, and universal tolling.
Reviver is the first company in the world that has developed a digital license plate. And the digital license plate serves the purpose of replacing what today is a metal plate. For 120 plus years, the cars have advanced technologically and everything is digitized these days. So why not a plate, right? The most benefits that there's three core value propositions for fleets for commercial business. One is batch registration renewals. So since we have digitized this process and since our platform has merged or integrated with the DMV platform, we're able to eliminate the requirements of the physical stickers, right? So by this way, we have eliminated a lot of touch points. DMVs don't have to send stickers. The corporate doesn't have to send stickers to the particular employees or maintenance people, and they don't have to place it on vehicles, etc. The second value proposition is the vehicle maintenance messaging. We have the ability to put on the vehicle if there is anything wrong with the car, and we do it. And this is particularly valuable for vans and for vehicles that come into a single location overnight, right? So during the night, the vehicles are being refueled. There's maintenance checks, etc. During this maintenance checks, if a person on their whatever gadget they use on the display, they check needs fluids or needs brake fluids or needs brake replacement, flat tire, etc. We have the ability for the plates to display a grounded message or grounded with the QR code, so you can just scan the QR code and you can see exactly what that vehicle needs for that particular maintenance schedule, right? And then the third one is we're launching the universal tolling. So we are eliminating the needs for transponders. And it's pay-by-plate technology. Everybody will be able to use it in all 50 states.